Exploring the Elements of Art with the Los Altos Art Docents. You'll need a piece of paper, some crayons, a ruler, and a pen or pencil. The art elements are the basic components or building blocks that artists use to create art. Today we're going to talk about line, shape, texture, space, and color. The artist Paul Klee once said, "A line is a dot that went for a walk." Pablo Picasso used many different kinds of lines for this drawing. Lines that were straight, curvy, heavy, and diagonal. Use your paper, ruler, and pen or pencil to make a vertical line. Make a horizontal line, and then make a diagonal line. Add a circle for a head to each of the lines. Next, draw two lines or legs coming from the opposite end of your line from the circles. Finally, draw in lines for arms to complete our stick figures. The direction of the lines give each figure a different feeling. The vertical one looks strong, stable, or alert. The horizontal one gives a feeling of being restful or quiet, while the diagonal one gives a feeling of action or impending action or imbalance. It's the uh-oh line. Let's think about shape. Shape is the outline of an area or figure. A geometric shape can be a circle, square, triangle, or rectangle. An example of an inorganic shape could be a curvy, irregular, asymmetrical outline. It's often things found in nature. Use your pen and ruler to make some geometric shapes. Then make some organic shapes. Texture is the feel, appearance, or consistency of a surface or a substance. Notice how the artist showed different textures such as the fine silky feathers, the rough rock, the choppy water, the smooth spiky leaves, and the scaly legs. Now let's make some texture. Draw a geometric shape and then choose one kind of line, straight, squiggly, zigzag, and repeat it, filling in the shape. The lines can go outside of the shape as well. Then try another shape with a different kind of line. Turn your textured shape into real or fantasy animals by adding a head, neck, arms, fins, tail, whatever you want. Do some look like they'd feel soft or maybe prickly? Space is the emptiness or area between, around, above, below, or contained within objects. Sometimes an artist will leave some space unfilled. This is called negative space. The area with the monkeys and the tree branches are called positive space. Take a sheet of paper and draw a line down the middle vertically. On the left half, draw a very small circle. On the right half, draw the biggest circle you can fit on that side. Complete the drawings by making the circles into smiley faces. Notice how the use of space can have a big impact on the artwork. Does the impact of the small face differ from the large face? Does one look nearer or further away? Does one look stronger or more powerful versus the timid or weaker? Color is produced when light strikes an object and is reflected back to the eye. Color has three qualities: hue, which is the name of a color, like red or blue; value, the lightness or darkness of a color; and intensity, the brightness or dullness of a color. Let's look at the color wheel and discuss some of the hues we see and how they work together. Primary colors are colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors together. They are red, blue, and yellow. The secondary colors, orange, purple, and green, are made by mixing two primary colors together. Yellow, orange, and red are seen as warm colors. They're bold, exciting, or happy, and remind us of the sun or fire. Green, blue, and purple are considered cool colors. They tend to give us a calm feeling and remind us of a lake or grass or even ice. Take your primary color crayons, blue, yellow, and red, and make a circle with each one. Next, fill in each primary color circle with its complementary pair. That would be the secondary color that is opposite from it on the color wheel. Notice how the colors seem to pop out when the complementary pairs are next to each other. Now take two complementary colors and overlap the colors. Notice how you get a dull brownish gray color when you combine the two? Our final exercise will be about value, or the lightness or darkness of a color. Take a crayon and start with a very dark line. Continue coloring below it using less pressure to create a difference in value. Now that you understand the building blocks artists use, see if you can create a work of art using all the art elements we discussed today.